Ebusama acquired by found Bragana Sam TVGH. Make sure like, comment, subscribing, turn your notification also so that anytime you post video be there. Busam Bekebi.
Stage the madden into a stager. I want you careful. You hold it. Thank you. Instead of all MPP people doing hashtag democracy and attack, no one throw agenda no. We throw agenda now. Then once you join that conversation, so you realize that I didn't rush to any studio to respond to anybody.
Yeah.
I told people that, hey, be smart, MPP, be smart. Don't waste your time. If radio don't know what the topic about, don't answer. Stay on course. Democracy and attack. That's the message.
Right. Leader, 1 minute per fact me any deal so me basis here.
It's hard on one senior member. For the first time, the senior member no on send him WhatsApp message down. No one or send obi na sembi di bram. Na my friend, I say open. Inti MPP for your parliament. All the good things we've been doing, you don't share. You have not even forwarded a single debater. Yeah, it's been impactful. To me though, leader, well done.
Yeah.
Why are you forwarding NDC in Assam and work out for me and 7 a.m.? You are forwarding it to me. Or say, your leader, I wanted you to know. I say, no. Know what? Please delete it from your end. In fact, I felt bad what I did, but I had to do it. I also had a good friend, my bosom friend be for many years. Every now and then, no, I forward it. Obina sama white no also or send them. One day, me titi menu message, bro. You know what? From today, even if you hear people going to kill me, don't tell me. Enough of this. Wejay. You see, social media operates in a funny way. I had a gossip kokonsa platform.
Yeah.
If you don't stay focused with your message will get lost. And those who know how social media operates are deliberate about it. Those who know how social media operates are very deliberate about social media. So they have a way they throw something in. Knowing that people like to gossip. Then they know though was the mazi divert attention. So somebody can say that, oh, bottom assembly abapa worker. Then Obi say, oh, this person, he's saying this because he's jealous of me. Then people become inquisitive. Oh, Dama, why is he jealous? Then they are rather sharing.
Side jealousy.
Bonde, ebia weko wiazo. Azina weko wiano is rather lost. Now, the person who is writing that Obi a jealous, will now engage others that Charlie, this agenda, so share. Did you get it? Until you must be smart. If you are a social media communicator, if you are a politician in this era, you must always remember your own message. What is your message? So MPP for Yako demonstration. What is our message? We say democracy is under attack. So even it's 1 week, not say even if 10,000 MPP have that as their hashtag.
No share.
No share. No throw on one page. Iko Ghana, the Iba Ghana trending issue, democracy under attack. The government will sit up. Now let me even come to young flag bearer, Dr. Baumia. How many people post Dr. Baumia? Yes, sir. We post birthday party, yen DP, ya church, you didn't maybe that to do yen a status. We want to sell Dr. Baumia. We want the youth. A lot of the youth did not vote. A lot of the youth, politics, they are too busy. They don't know about governance. It is his image. We have the benefit of early primaries. And this if we candidate yet. So one thing that as a party we can do now is to project the image of our flag bearer in such a manner there by 2028, now that is the household name and face. Obianim there, papaya na yenyim dedo. But how many of us are doing that? We don't get it.
What can some?
How many of us are doing that? Close circle friends, are they doing that? Are we doing that? Constituency officers, are we doing that? Regional officers. The party machinery, Obia was social media. Are we posting the flag bearer? Because it's no post or as important as the flag bearer. It is Dr. Bawumia and nothing else. Are we marketing him? Are we selling him? Which image are we creating for Dr. Bawumia? He's an affable, peace-loving, conciliatory, a patient man, a good listener. What are we saying about him? So, you're the end is if we're your candidate, and now we'll be struggling
to market him.
No. The time to project him is now. And we have to be deliberate about it rather than wasting time on NDC for one asama working and whatever what they do. Because as for them, they are in government. Their job is to make the life difficult for you.
Yeah.
Their national security apparatus is there. They have government communication bureau. I know. So as a minority leader, but we know how they strategize and go about it. Say, yen demo ya yakuri. Demiska is bina motin. It was a deliberate ploy to kill the demo. It was not accidental. One walk at the baby now. No, it was not by accident. It was planned. They sat down. What she said there, look, go after Afenyo Markin. Do this. Present it. No, what's another person? No, so what Chandeza onka. No, so onka them. One say Yamoframa. And as a political communicator who has gone through this thing, Kakrano, Muhu, the dam no orko. Sometimes will be a call a TikTok, washa waroba. Don't even mind the person. Nimpano wakaka, we. He can share, but that can remain within the circle of Nana Krofono. Na unko baby mboyaz masa. If for instance NDC will cook agenda about me, Afenyo Markin. Now they start sharing among themselves. It is nothing. It will gain your friend and momentum. It will gain traction if it gets into MPP circles or those who are apolitical, and it is also shared. Then I don't know, we gain traction, and then they use the fake news where Awobe creates fake news, now was account. So on so or target the vulnerable, and then the Obia ko TikTok, and what there's a way they target. You know, Obia a particular site be bon there algorithms no lead you. I'm very conservative when it comes to that because I see ministerial portfolio not as a hobby portfolio, but a very weighty responsibility. You need to enter the ministry with a certain level of weight. That's my personal view. So at any point, if MPP were BAME, now I want to go forward, the one year minister, I want to get into that particular ministry where certain weight be.
Okay.
That's my personal view. So, sir, I'm paying yen flag bearer, Oba, power, Ochina. Na Obisam, there, leader, I want you to be a minister. It will be difficult for me to say there, say, I want to be a minister. It will be difficult to say that, yes, sir, I want to be a minister. Okay. I'm saying it will be difficult because I want to work in Parliament. 107.3. I want to work in Parliament. I love parliamentary advocacy. I love the Parliament work. I believe that the parliamentary democracy needs a certain level of enrichment. It shouldn't be seen as a second-class political work. Work in Parliament must be taken serious. You make laws. You influence policy. Parliament is the face of democracy. So at any point, it should have some men of substance who have the experience. So I love Parliament, but obi so pede obey a minister or so biana nitima nadwin.
Right, leader Fachame. See as opportunity abana NPP so here. Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia settle on you.
I beg you, please stop it.
Mate leader.
I beg you.
Nana Mate.
Party ni mpanyinfo napo oye papa no running mate. Please don't lead me into that temptation. I'm not one of those overly ambitious people. Please.
Right.
I will know. I don't know why you said that, but I'm very serious on this. There are senior members in the party.
Okay.
I don't want this thing. Wankasa enam wonu obi hwehwe na ope asema modedo mpocho. Anopezo obi kofa asema mpocho. Ma yensum wo bebi a yeresum na yembo papan na onfu na egua.
Okay.
Mpocho atmasa. Yemma onsum onfu na egua. Mon baba nde na awo so pede bi de. Menyo obi enya apre mpocho. Nwa wo pre running mate no. Count me out.
Right. Men are support me leader.